So it's after Christmas, you're taking down your Christmas decorations, and you want to transition your mantle from Christmas to winter. This is a quick video on how to do exactly that. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and let's get started making this beautiful mantle for winter. Okay, so the first piece I'm going to put on the mantle is this beautiful table runner that I got at Christmas. It's the faux fur table runner, and I absolutely love this. So I'm going to lay this across the top of the mantle. And then just get this smoothed out. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty and it's so soft. I love that. And then I'm going to get a piece of greenery. This is going to be real simple, real quick, real easy. Anybody can do it. So next thing I'm going to add to my mantle are these two branches that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I'm just going to put them just like this in the middle of the mantle. So I'm going to tuck the stick of this one just under here so that you don't see it, and just put those together. I think I like those balls kind of crisscrossing a little bit, and I could put a pine cone right there in the middle. These are all wired so you can move everything around. So that's really simple, really easy. And then I just have these two extra branches, and they're just going to add just a little bit more winter. So I'm just going to tuck these in here and then just move the pine cone around top of it. I'm going to tuck this one under this branch here. And once again, just kind of move it around so that's evenly spaced throughout. I'm going to give you an overview what this looks like. So before I add my bow, I've decided I'm going to secure my branches with some zip ties. I'm going to do one on either end of that, and I will go ahead and I'll add that, and I will get that back on the mantle for you. So this is just a simple overview of what it looks like right now. I just added those buried branches to it. So right now, very simple, very elegant, and we are going to add a bow to this and a little bit more just to glam it up. I have these beautiful reindeer that I got from Michael several years ago, and they're covered with glitter, iridescent glitter, and I absolutely love these. So I have two. I'm gonna put these on either end. I also have some candlesticks that we're gonna add, and as you can see, I have added my bow to the middle of the mantle. So let's go ahead and get started. To give you a quick overview of what it looks like a little bit closer. Simple, easy mantle display that will transition you from Christmas through the winter time until we get to spring or Valentine's Day. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next video.